We have been talking about a vacation for 3 whole years.
I think it is finally time to stop talking and start packing.
My name is Sophia, and I am officially your guide for this trip.
It is a pleasure to work with a professional. I am Mark.
Do you want a relaxing beach or a wild mountain trail?
I want to see something that looks like a fantasy movie.
Then we should definitely look at the Northern Highlands.
Are those the mountains with the purple mist at sunrise?
Yes, and the waterfalls there are taller than skyscrapers.
That sounds exactly like the adventure I need.
I have a pile of brochures from the local travel office.
These photos of the crystal lakes are absolutely stunning.
The water is cold, but the views are worth it.
Can we rent a small boat to explore the hidden islands?
We can rent a wooden canoe for the whole afternoon.
I should start checking the weather for the next month.
Late spring is the best time for clear blue skies.
I am glad we are doing this together, Sophia.
Planning is half the fun of the entire journey.
For me, the fun starts when I see the plane.
We need to decide on a duration for our stay.
I can take 10 days off from my office job.
10 days is perfect to see the main 3 valleys.
I will write that down in our new travel journal.
Let's focus on the first location on our list.
The village near the Silver Forest looks very charming.
It is famous for its spicy soup and handmade blankets.
I am getting hungry just thinking about the food.
We will eat like kings and hike like giants.
This is going to be the best summer ever.
This map is much bigger than I thought it would be.
You are looking at the entire continent, not just the country.
No wonder I could not find the Silver Forest.
Look at my tablet. I zoomed in on the specific region.
The forest is much closer to the coast than I imagined.
That means we can visit the sea and the mountains.
A trip with 2 different landscapes is a great idea.
We can spend 5 days hiking and 5 days swimming.
My heart says mountains, but my feet say the beach.
We will start with the hike while we have energy.
Is it true that there are wild horses in that area?
If we are quiet, we might see them near the river.
I will bring my binoculars to get a better view.
Don't forget to keep a safe distance from the animals.
I respect nature and all the creatures living there.
That is why you are a great person to travel with.
I found a small town called Blue Harbor on the map.
That town is famous for its lighthouse and fresh fish.
I can already smell the salty air of the ocean.
We should book a room with a balcony facing the east.
To see the sun rising over the water every morning?
Exactly. It is a sight you will never forget.
I'm starting to feel the excitement in my chest.
The highlands and the harbor make a perfect combination.
Should we visit the ancient caves in the north too?
Those might be too far for a 10-day trip.
Quality over quantity is a good rule for travel.
We want to enjoy each place without any rush.
I agree. I want to feel the spirit of the land.
Then the highlands and Blue Harbor it is. Travel is wonderful, but we must talk about the costs.
I have been saving money in a special jar for months.
Flights are usually cheaper if we book them on Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday, so we are in a lucky position.
I'm checking the prices for the direct flight now.
It is a bit expensive, but it saves us 6 hours.
Time is the most valuable thing we have on a trip.
I am okay with paying more for a direct flight.
What about the budget for our daily meals and drinks?
I think $50 per person is a reasonable limit.
We can find local markets to save some extra money.
I love eating street food in new and strange places.
It is often better than the food in fancy restaurants.
We also need to set aside money for the boat rental.
And for the bus tickets between the 2 locations.
I am adding all these numbers into my small calculator.
Don't forget the insurance for our cameras and phones.
You are very thorough with all these small details.
Experience taught me that surprises can be quite costly.
The total amount fits perfectly within my savings.
That is the best news I heard all day today.
Should I click the buy button for the plane tickets?
Check the dates and the names one last time.
Everything is correct. Our names are spelled perfectly.
Then go ahead and make our dream a reality.
I just pressed the button and the confirmation arrived.
We are officially going to the Highlands and the sea.
I feel like I just won a very big prize.
Now we just have to worry about our heavy suitcases.
I will start making a list of what I need.
This backpack has a special compartment for a laptop.
I don't think I will need a computer in the forest.
You might want to upload your photos in the evening.
That is a good point. I want to share the magic.
You should bring a waterproof jacket for the mountain rain.
I have a bright yellow one that is very lightweight.
Yellow will look great in your photos against the green.
I am trying to fit my long lens into this bag.
It looks a bit tight. Try wrapping it in a sweater.
That is a clever way to save space and protect it.
2 pairs of comfortable shoes are an absolute must.
I have my hiking boots and my light sneakers ready.
Never wear new boots for the first time on a trip.
I have been walking in these for at least 2 weeks.
Good. Then your feet will be very happy on the trail.
Do I need a formal outfit for the harbor restaurants?
A simple clean shirt is enough for the local spots.
I'm glad I don't have to pack a heavy suit.
Sunlight is very strong in the mountains. Bring a hat.
I will take my favorite cap with the mountain logo.
A small first aid kit is also a very smart idea.
I have bandages, antiseptic, and some headache pills.
You are becoming a very prepared traveler, Mark.
I am learning from the best expert in the business.
Put your heavy items at the bottom of the backpack.
That makes the bag feel much lighter on my shoulders.
It is all about the distribution of the total weight.
My bag is full and I still have room for souvenirs.
That is the sign of a very successful packing job.
I am ready to close the zippers and go.
Look at this treehouse hotel near the Silver Forest.
It looks like something from a dream or a fairy tale.
The price is high, but it includes a guided night walk.
Sleeping among the trees sounds like a perfect experience.
We can stay there for the first 3 nights of our trip.
I can see a balcony where we can watch the birds.
I am reading the reviews, and people love the breakfast.
Homemade bread and forest honey sound like heaven.
I will book the room before someone else takes it.
What about our accommodation near Blue Harbor?
I found a small guest house owned by a local family.
Does it have a view of the famous White Lighthouse?
Yes, it is located on the cliff right above the beach.
It looks so peaceful with all those blue shutters.
The owner is a fisherman and offers boat tours.
This is getting better and better with every minute.
Booking local places helps the community of the town.
I prefer that over staying in a giant cold hotel.
You get to hear the best stories from the locals.
I want to know all the legends of the Silver Forest.
Our host in the treehouse is a retired forest ranger.
He will surely have many interesting things to tell us.
I just received the confirmation for both of our stays.
Our itinerary is now complete from start to finish.
We have a place to sleep and a way to get there.
All we need now is to wait for the departure date.
Waiting is always the hardest part of the whole process.
I will count the days on my office calendar every day.
It will be here before you even realize it, Mark.
I am so happy we decided to make this happen.
Tomorrow morning, we will be at the airport terminal.
I checked my passport 5 times in the last hour.
It is safe in your pocket, don't worry too much.
I am wearing my hiking boots to save some bag space.
That is a classic move of an experienced traveler.
I have the digital tickets ready on my mobile phone.
And I have the printed copies in my backpack just in case.
You always have a backup plan for every single thing.
That is how I managed to travel to 30 countries.
I am lucky to have you as my friend and partner.
We are going to make some incredible memories together.
I can't wait to take my first photo of the purple mist.
And I can't wait to taste that famous spicy soup.
I will send the postcard to my parents from the harbor.
They will be happy to know you are having a great time.
My alarm is set for 5 o'clock in the morning.
I will call you to make sure you are awake and ready.
High five for a perfect planning session, Sophia.
We are a great team, Mark. Truly great.
I feel like a real explorer on the edge of a discovery.
The world is waiting for us to see its beauty.
I am leaving my worries behind in this quiet room.
Pack your curiosity and your kind smile as well.
Those are always with me, especially when I am with you.
See you at the main entrance of the airport, Mark.
I will be the guy with the giant map and the big grin.
I will find you easily among all the tired people.
Let's go and turn these plans into a real adventure.
Safe dreams tonight. The journey starts very soon.
Good night, Sophia. See you in the morning light.